What do you think are example consequences of a hurricane event? Damaged buildings? People evacuated and killed? Yes, it is well known that hurricanes can result in these damages to our society and economy. However, those on public health are poorly understood. In the aftermath of a hurricane event, there can be water intrusion, moisture, and dampness that stay for a long time and lead to mold. These can hurt the human respiratory health and causes diseases like asthma. There is, however, a knowledge gap on what factors lead to the risk of such respiratory diseases. In this research funded by National Science Foundation, our interdisciplinary team consisting of an engineer, public health and indoor air quality scientist, and a sociologist from 2 universities collected a comprehensive database of several factors that can lead to mold growth and asthma aftermath of Hurricane Ida, which happened in 2021. The factors included flood characteristics, building properties, HVAC system properties, and human actions. We recruited 25 volunteers in New Orleans, the center of this event, developed online surveys to capture information on the volunteers and their interactions with Hurricane Ida, inspected their homes in terms of mold, collected air and dust samples, performed lab analysis on the collected samples. We also performed numerical analysis to hindcast flood characteristics during Hurricane Ida. Together, a comprehensive database was developed. We then analyzed this database using machine learning algorithm random forest to develop relationships among floods, mold, building properties, and asthma risk. Our results showed that for mold, human actions such as implementing preventing measures in home properties such as age of building and roof repair, and inundation depth were the most influential factors. For asthma, inundation depth, human behavior such as days spent at home, the presence of smoking members, applying preventive measures, and mold were the most important driving factors. This research was an early effort to investigate such relationships, and we solely studied a recent catastrophic Hurricane Ida. This should be expanded in the future to investigate other similar events in other locations, other hurricane severities, and non-extreme floods to corroborate our findings. We aim to open a dialogue among scientists, engineers, flood managers, and the public about this important but overlooked research. We expect that this research helps better actions after hurricane events and educate the public about how their actions may hurt their own respiratory health. We thank you for listening to this presentation.